See, there's the tank kind of down in the hole. We're going to try to hook it up with the backhoe and lift it up straight. So we'll see how that goes, because it's got to go up a little straighter. It didn't go bad, too bad. It did slide down the boards okay. So good morning. So today we're going to do a quick video on our water catchment system, putting our tank in the ground and all of our radiant coolant pipes that we got buried underneath, and just go on from there. We got our tank down there and we put in our cooling lines. We're going to try to pick up cooling from 6.5 feet down under the ground, because it should stay in the 60-degree mark. So the black pipe, there's a down and an up, and same with the blue pipe, a down and an up. The black pipe is 1/2 inch and there's 800 feet of it, and the blue pipe is 3/4 and there's 300 feet of it that goes down in the hole, and we'll show you that in a minute. So this blue line coming across here is where we're filling from our rain. So our rain's going to fill our tank up. This one right here coming in here. But so that's what's going to fill our tank up from the rainwater. And then we're going to have a pump on it and try to water all of our fruit plants and stuff like that from rainwater. Because rainwater is more healthy than city water. So we'll go around now and kind of show you where the pipe is down underneath. And then I'm getting ready to bury it all and try to level out all my dirt and get rid of my dirt. So this is our lid here, access lid, and the hose is down around the bottom. This is where the pumps, these two blue ones out the top. And I will get the vacuum over here and suck out any dirt and stuff, because I sucked it out prior to moving it over here, and it still got dirt down in it. But and my hole, I'll block it out in the concrete. So yeah, I'll have this lid in my shop, but because I don't want to cover it up just in case there's ever a chance I have to get down in it. So, you know, it's just part of life to have a lid, but it's got like a lid over here. It's a pretty nice lid that'll go on it. Got a seal and everything, so. But yeah, I'll vacuum it out, put the lid on it, lock it down so no more dirt can get in it. And then I've actually got to fill the tank up before I put too much backfill in. I'm just trying to cover the pipes now with just clean dirt, sorta. And because otherwise the dirt is going to push this tank up. So with the, so yeah, it's going to be 10,000 pounds maybe. I don't know. A lot of weight in the water. But that holds your tank down from keeping it from lifting up. And once you get it filled up and the dirt compacted in it, then it don't matter if the tank gets down to almost nothing, because it's already encased in the dirt. So it won't lift up, and it'll be underneath the concrete floor too. So on the bottom of our tank we did have some dirt and stuff, and so the shop back didn't reach. So I just glued, or not glued on, but taped on a piece of 1-inch PVC, and that way it got down to the bottom and it sucked up all the dirt, rocks, and the rocks that were too big. It actually sucked pressure on them, and I pulled it up, pulled the rocks off and all that. So I got the bottom of the tank pretty clean, and so right now we're actually filling up the tank with water. So that way it's going to hold the tank down, and once it gets halfway full or 3/4 way full, then I'll start backfilling it, because we don't want the tank to actually lift out of the ground. That wouldn't be good. That would like super start over. We don't want to start over. But anyhow, so right now we did suck it all out, my tube that goes down to the bottom for the pump, it was actually too long, and it might have got into where it wouldn't suck water because it was too long and it was hitting the bottom. So I did have to pull it up, and I cut about 1 inch off of it. So now it sucks, you know, about 1 inch from the bottom.
Well, time's getting short and we gotta go. So we'll catch you on the next one. Bye. Oh, in case you forgot, remember to subscribe. See you later. Bye.